Good job, buddy. All right.
Why are you showing me after?
Oh, Chelsea took a little leak.
Oh,
And Hoover's laying in it. That's
YouTube
great.
Now?
There you go.
I can put this on YouTube?
Are you taking a leak?
Don't put that on anywhere.
All right. Come on, Hooch.
Hey, but it's...
You got Chelsea's urine all over you now. Look, he looks like a gorilla in the mist.
Oh, look at how pretty he looks.
He's so happy right
Look
now.
how pretty he looks with the green
Yeah, I know.
Hoochie.
Okay, Hoochie. You want to lay here for a minute?
D-bar.
Should we give it a car?
No, give him a little bite.
Okay, give him a little bite.
Now's a good time. He's worked hard.
Okay, Hoochie. He loves the Cliff Bars.
Oh, let's look for them.
He'd like it if there was bacon in that Cliff Bar, though. There's no bacon in that one. Yep. Is that it for him? All right. Let him wash down a little water. Okay, buddy. That should get you to the car.
Any more trees?
Come on, Hoover. Come on, buddy. Come on. All right, lead the way. Not gonna lead the way? All right, I'll lead the way.